Oh my god, a life-size assassin vapor chamber elite air cooler. Deepcool, you guys are killing it.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view.
So this year Deepcool has launched variety of items, guys, and I'm pretty excited to show you all of them. You've got brand new PC cases, liquid coolers, air coolers, and not to miss out, power supplies as well, with plenty of customizations going on. So let's quickly head over there and check out these products one by one. So starting off, we've got some brand new AIO liquid coolers, guys. Deepcool has introduced their all-new Spartacus series, LQ360 series, and plenty of other stuff. Spartacus is their all-new flagship level AIO LCD liquid cooler, available in like different variants. You get 420mm, 360mm is also available. I mean, look at that. As I've told you guys, this is the biggest LCD AIO liquid cooler from Deepcool till now, and literally features a 3.4 inches IPS TFT LCD display on board with up to 480 by 480 resolution that is fully customizable. You can adjust the brightness, ask it to show like different PC stats, real-time information, and not only that, as you can see, you can even apply your own live GIFs, video files, and plenty on this display. Like, how cool is that? One more thing is, this is fully magnetic, guys. I mean, look at this. Easily comes out like this, and on the inside exposes their new Gen 6 AIO pump head, guys. So it's a performance-oriented pump head. There you go. As soon as you plug it in, the display pops up, and here's how it looks like. On the left side, we've got some brand new fans as well. So what I've been told is, in the demo section over here in the exhibition, right, they're putting some RGB fans on the radiator, but when you actually buy in retail, right, you're gonna get the standard performance edition fans, no RGB lighting. So this is something you might keep in mind, but I do have to mention, guys, the fans look absolutely beautiful. If you ask about the build quality also seems to be excellent. It's entirely made of like premium aluminum alloy grade shell and is available in like multiple configurations. I've told you, right, 360mm and also 420mm. Now moving on over there, we've got the new LQ360 Ultra Edition AIO cooler. Now we've already seen the LQ series back in the Indian market, right? So the new Ultra Edition features like a translucent pump head that glows with like beautiful ARGB lighting. Plus on the top side, you're also getting like a fully customizable display that gives you like real-time PC stats and information. So this cooler is also available in different color configurations. You're getting 240mm, 360mm options are also there. Plus it is also available in a brand new white edition color as well, the LQ360WH. So one thing you might notice, the white edition features like full-on RGB lighting for that beautiful aesthetics, while the black edition comes with performance-oriented fans here. So no RGB over here. Now I'm not exactly sure about the pricing details of these models because they're brand new, right? They've just been showcased at Computex 2025. So we'll still have to wait for them to arrive to the Indian market, and then I'll keep you posted on the exact pricing details. So let's move on and check out the air cooler section as well. Plus we got some brand new fans also. Have a look at this. So these are Deepcool's all-new FL series fan. You got the FL12 in both black edition and also white edition. So these fans were only installed on the previous Spartacus AIO that we've seen, guys, and I mean, look at this. Lovely, right? Check out the side profile as well. You're getting beautiful 36 ARGB LEDs included over there for a much more precise RGB control using Deepcool software. One more thing to note is these brand new fans also support daisy chain function, so you don't need to worry about the clutter of cables, guys. Single cable will get your job done. And they're available in 3 different models. You get black edition, white edition, reverse fan edition is also available. So that was the FL12 120mm fans. These are the same FL series fans but in 140mm, guys. A bit larger in size. But man, I have to appreciate that beautiful ARGB lighting to the side profile. Holy moly, get a look at these brand new air coolers, guys. The 2nd gen AKG2 digital series lineup. So these air coolers are specially made for like performance oriented and comes with like upgraded performance tech on board and also a slightly refreshed design. So at the top side, you can check out that the air coolers come with like a fully customizable display that shows you real-time stats and PC information, whatever you wanna have a look at. Plus it is fully controllable using Deepcool software. Build quality also seems to be nice. They are available right now in matte black edition. And one more main thing I have to mention is these brand new 2nd gen AK digital series coolers come with next level thermal control with an average of around 1.5 degrees centigrade, guys, versus the previous Gen 1 AK series coolers. And not only that, you're also getting like 0 RPM startup plus a brand new AI technology on board where the software intelligently balances both the power and noise ratio, so you're always getting like optimal sort of results. I'm pretty excited to get my hands on one of these coolers as well. Maybe build like a full-on PC build with them and check out the performance. You'll have to stay tuned for that. Oh wow, Are you kidding me? Is this wood? Wood on air coolers? Now that is aesthetics. Look at this. Such a premium touch and feel, guys. Lovely. So till now we've been seeing the AK 500, 400, 620 series, right? This one is the AK 700, guys, and comes with a top cover, that too in a beautiful wooden grain finish. Rest of the features are pretty much the same. You're getting their new gen thermal control and also 0 RPM startup. Not to miss out, AI smart mode that dynamically balances both noise and the performance levels. Last but not the least, we also have Deepcool's Assassin VC series cooler. Look at that chunky block of heatsink over there. Now also available in white edition, comes with a beautiful sleek aesthetics. So main highlight of the Assassin series is you're getting like whisper quiet fans, guys. So it can easily handle all your loads no matter what sort of work you're doing. Plus you're also getting like 7 heat pipes on board, plus VC as well, vapor chamber design, and is compatible for both Intel and AMD platforms. So that was about the coolers section. Moving on, let's also check out some brand new PC cases from the company. We've got a brand new model, guys, a hyper split tower. But before going there, let me actually show you this new CH160 series, the Plus edition. Especially if you're looking to buy like a PC case, maybe for like compact size portable design, right? This might be something of your interest. I mean, look at this. Comes in this beautiful white color. Lots of vents are there on all the sides, so for excellent airflow and thermal solution. We've got tempered glass on the side, and despite being small, right, this thing can literally load in a micro ATX motherboard, and not to miss out, AIO liquid coolers of up to 240 mm, no sweat at all. Plus the brand even says that the case literally supports 4-slot GPUs up to 342 mm length, guys. I mean, look at this. This is actually pretty wide. There's plenty of space on the inside. Quite spacious is what I can say. And also at the top side, you're getting a nice and convenient carry handle as well, so you can even take it anywhere, especially if you're into like esports gaming and would like to carry your gaming PC along with you wherever you go, right? This might actually be like quite handy. Now this is what I was like excited to show you people in this video. Deepcool's all new hyper split tower PC case. I mean, look at the whole brand new design, guys. You're getting split tower design. So main highlight of the case is you're getting like a pre-installed AIO cooler. So this is more like a pre-built gaming PC case, guys. Comes with like an AIO liquid cooler pre-installed. You're getting the radiator and also the pump head, everything set up. So it's like good to go out of the box. You just need to install rest of the parts like motherboard, GPU, and all the minor stuff, and your PC is like ready to go. Beautiful looking design, right? Comes off in this white finish and looks quite stylish. You're getting plenty of vents as well on all the sides, so plenty of air circulation happening as well. And look at the design of the AIO pump head, guys. Very unique, right? Love it. Fully customizable using Deepcool software. You can customize the lighting, fan profile, fan curve, everything. So just like the previous air coolers, Deepcool has also introduced some wood panels on the front panel of this case as well. Now previously I've never seen a lot of wooden cases, but I'm telling you, right, wood actually gives you that premium aesthetics, guys, and looks very nice with this white finish. Okay, now this looks quite interesting. Deepcool, since when are you making coffee machines, man? I'm just kidding, this is no coffee machine, it's just like a demo piece. So basically, you remember last year's Computex, we got to check out Deepcool's Pixel case bits. Basically, lots of customization bits that you can, decorate your Deepcool cases with. So that is what this thing is about. Available in plenty of different colors. You can use these to customize your PC cases and give like a unique look to your gaming PC. Now this is one big bad boy looking case, guys. Look at this, Deepcool's Gnome 3. So main highlight of this case is, have a look at the bottom profile. The case comes with a 5.5 inches LCD display installed on board, fully customizable using Deepcool software. Just like the liquid coolers, here also you can apply various lighting effects. You can even add your own videos, GIF files to the LCD screen, fully customize it as per your taste. Plus the case also comes with an integrated 420 mm AIO liquid cooler at the top side, guys, with a visible reservoir. That looks lovely, right? So look at the front profile. This is that reservoir I was talking about. Comes with beautiful RGB lighting and says developed by Deepcool, anti-leak tech inside. Very unique looking design, right? We've got some brand new power supply models as well. This one over here is a 2450 watt pro consumer grade power supply made specially for like AI related stuff, LLMs. If you're into that sort of work, right, you can use something like this. I mean, check it out, guys. Within your regular power supply size only, you're getting 2450 watt. That too, this is titanium rated. This is your ATX 3.1 standard and also supports PCI 5.1 and comes with an improved cable, guys, for the GPU, 12 2x6 cable. So these days, a lot of people are facing those sort of GPU cable burn-in issues, right? So that has been sorted out. Deepcool has improved improved their cable design, so you might not face these sort of issues. Plus, it's titanium rated, right? Comes with 94% efficiency. Moving on, this is your flagship level power supply, 1000 watt. So if you're looking to build like a powerful gaming PC, maybe like a 5080, right, something like that, you can go ahead with this. This is their V2 edition in that. So comes with like ATX 3.1 standard, PCI 5.1 support is also there. Comes with that new and improved GPU cable, 12 volt 2x6 cable, and is platinum rated, right? So obviously around like 92% efficiency. Plus the size is also pretty compact. Plenty of vents all around, so there's plenty of air running around. Lastly, you're also getting a new SFX grade power supply. That too, this is a 850 watt SFS rated power supply in such a small and compact form factor. This is also gold rated, comes with like 90% efficiency, and also has like ATX 3.1, PCI 5.1 standards.
Well, that is pretty much it. If you all enjoyed watching the video, make sure to smash that like button, and I'll see you all in my next one.